everybody, another day of phonics. Okay, bounce my sounds 3 times. Ooh, 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 well done. Well done. Amazing. Fantastic. Keep going, keep going. I'm going to do them with you now. Are you ready? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Shh, shh, shh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Shh, shh, shh. Brilliant sounding, everybody. Okay, it's my turn and then it's your turn. Are you ready? Bigger, butter, slower. 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 What sound are you hearing all of these words? It's a bit of a tricky one today. Let's move on and carry on and see if you can work it out. Have you brought your phoning fingers? Lovely singing, yes we have, yes we have. That was lovely singing this morning. Okay, your word is sister. First sound, second sound, third sound, fourth sound, fifth sound. Well done. Sister. I have 3 sisters. Oh, 3. And they're all littler than me. My word is butter. First sound, second sound, third sound, fourth sound. Amazing. Butter. Can you spread the butter on your toast? I like on my toast too. Butter and jam. Delicious. My word is under. First sound, second sound, third sound, fourth sound. Fantastic. Under. Who is hiding under my table? There's a little mouse. Who's listening to our phonics? My word is runner. Runner. First sound, second sound, third sound, fourth sound. Amazing. Runner. My word is teacher. I am a... Yes, I am a teacher. Can you do it by yourself? Show me if you could be the teacher today. Teacher. On your phoning fingers. If we get this one right, we're going to do a snappy clap today, which is our clapping crocodiles. Are you ready? Teacher. Teacher. Teacher, did you get 4 sounds like me? Snappy clap, snappy clap. Oh, brilliant. Put them away. Show me your blender arm. Wow, it is ready this morning. Looking strong. You must have been eating lots of healthy food while you have been at home. Mine are robot arms. Here we go. Loud. Louder. Brilliant. Whisper. Whisper. Can you whisper? Whisper like me. La 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 la. Brilliant whispering. My word is amazing. Boxer. Well done. My auntie has a boxer dog, or you might know a boxer, someone who does boxing as their sport. Next word. Dinner. Is it time for dinner yet? Not yet. If you're like me, I'm about to have my lunch. Next word. I can't wait for the summer because I love the sun. Do you like the sun? It's nice, isn't it? You have to make sure you have to wear your sun cream to keep you safe. Okay, show me your robot arms. Here we go. Ladder. Ladder. Amazing. Waiter. Wait. Waiter. Wow. Louder. 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 Well done. Swimmer. Swimmer. Wow. Show me how you go swimming and I can say, oh, you are a fabulous swimmer. I'm doing breaststroke. Brilliant swimming. You are a fabulous swimmer. Last word. Tricky one. Helicopter. Oh, I'm out of breath. I'm going to do it with you. Are you ready? Helicopter. Wow, give me a high five. That was a super tricky one this morning. Do you think you know what my sound is now? Do you think you've got it? Are you sure? Ta-da! It's the sound. My turn, your turn. Diagraph. 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 Are you ready for some reading? Yes, we are. Okay, when we read, what do we do? Are you sure? Are you tricking you? Yes, you're right. We look at the letters, we make the sound, and we blend the sounds together. Okay, here we go. Summer. Well done. We do have two M's, but we don't say we just say There's like lots of our words that we're going to read today. Dinner. Amazing. Boxer. You are fabulous at this. Ladder. Amazing. Letter. Well done. Letter. Maybe you could write your teacher or your friends a letter. Last one. Hammer. Show me how you hammer in the nail. Bang, 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 bang. You say, Brilliant reading, everybody. Can you get your whiteboard, your paper, your pen, or your pencil ready for writing? I've got mine ready and waiting. When we read, no, we're not reading. When we write, what do? Yes, we do. We make sure it really gets in our head, okay? So we say it, we say it, we say it. I know in reception we're still practicing roboting, but remember I've said before, if you want to do your fingering, that's okay. So you robot, and then you write, I am going to do roboting today, okay? My word is under, 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 under. Five, four, three, two, one. Under. Under. Brilliant, everybody. Are you ready for the next word? Your word is sister. Sister, sister, sister. Sister. Well done. Sister. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sister. Sister. Well done, everybody. That was some tricky words I've given you today. Okay, your last word is butter. Butter. Butter, butter, butter. butter. I'm going to give you a clue. It has 2 T's for the T sound. Make sure your B is a B and not a D. I know that's a very easy mistake, so always check. You can use your thumbs to help you check. If you do this and hold them down, oh, I've got a B in this hand. And you see my B, and I have my D in this hand. My B and my D. Butter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Butter. And this is going to be your word today. Can you put it into a sentence? Maybe, could you write, when I put my star, an adjective to describe the butter? So I might say, I like creamy butter on my toast. Or the hard butter wouldn't spread. I want a sentence that has an adjective describing the butter. Have a lovely day. See you soon.